Guten Tag allerseits. Welcome to another German language tutorial. Today we will focus on how to tell time in German. This will be just a short overview utilizing only a few examples, all of which, however, can be applied to a variety of situations. Und natürlich, wenn Sie Fragen haben, schreiben Sie mir eine E-Mail. Also, los geht's. Hier sehen Sie ein paar Beispiele. Es ist 13 Uhr. Es ist 13 Uhr 5. Es ist 13 Uhr 15. Es ist 13 Uhr 30. Es ist 13 Uhr 40. Es ist 13 Uhr 45. Und es ist 13 Uhr 50. These are all examples of official time or offizielle Zeit. So official time and even sometimes unofficial time make use of the 24-hour clock. If you're unsure of how to manage using the 24-hour clock, for instance, take 13 Uhr, right, and subtract 12. You get 1 p.m. So anytime beyond 12 p.m., just subtract 12. 14 Uhr would be 2 p.m. 18 Uhr would be 6 p.m. One thing the German language does not do that is done in English is use a.m. or p.m. when referring to time. So let's see some examples. Los geht's. Es ist 1 Uhr nachmittags, or another way of saying it could be es ist eins. Now we can also simply say es ist 13 Uhr and not include the nachmittags, which specifies that we're talking about the afternoon. If someone asks you what time it is and you're well into the day, it would be understood if you responded with es ist 13 Uhr, es ist 13 Uhr nachmittags, or es ist eins. All three would be understood as being 1 o'clock p.m. Okay, let's continue. Es ist 5 nach 1 nachmittags. Es ist Viertel nach 1 nachmittags. Nach meaning after. Es ist 1:30 nachmittags. Es ist 20 vor 2 nachmittags. Es ist Viertel vor 2 nachmittags. And es ist 10 vor 2 nachmittags. For in these examples meaning until, or before, till, ahead of, etc., or whichever of these you normally use. I'm from Northwest Ohio, and I tend to say something like 20 of 2, but don't take this as the norm everywhere. German also has different ways of saying the time colloquially. We'll cover these essentials in this video. Let's look at a few more examples. Es ist Viertel nach 2 nachmittags. Es ist 20 nach 7 morgens. Es ist 5 vor 7:30 abends. And es ist Viertel vor 12 nachts. Notice again the use of the 24-hour clock. For official times, for example, time at a bank, train station, or airport, the 24-hour clock is used. When the 24-hour clock system is not used, more colloquial expressions, seen in the right-hand column, are used. The part of the day is used as an adverb to express morning, afternoon, evening, and night. These replace a.m. and p.m. used in English. And as I mentioned earlier, if it is pretty clear that it's the morning, afternoon, early evening, or night, you'd still be understood if you happen to leave these adverbs out. But for the sake of practice, learning, and complete clarity, it is a good habit to incorporate them. Und das ist alles für heute. Es hat mich gefreut. Bis bald und mach's gut.